back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Bombay style chicken biryani. Bombay style chicken biryani is very flavorful and aromatic. It's prepared from Indian spices, it's loaded with flavors of spices, and it's colorful. It's very famous and incredible. It's spicy with a hint of sourness. It tastes entirely different from usual biryanis, and yeah, everyone has their own recipe. So today let's see mine one. So let's get started. For making biryani, I have taken all these things that I'll be showing you one by one for better understanding. I have taken 1 cup of oil, any oil of your choice. More than 1 kg of rice, I have boiled them, basmati rice. 1 kg of chicken. 8 to 10 onions. 5 of them I have sliced thinly and other ones I have caramelized. So if I am taking 8, 5 I have sliced and 3 I have caramelized. Salt 3 teaspoons. Ginger garlic paste 2 heaped spoons. Juice of 2 small lemons. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 8 to 10 green chilies. Half a teaspoon of garam masala and 8 cloves, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, 3 black cardamom, 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 aniseed and 5 to 6 green cardamom. A bunch of green coriander, bunch of mint leaves, fresh mint leaves, 2 tomatoes sliced, half a cup of curd, and I have taken 2 food colors. I have taken red and orange. You can take any color of your choice. So let's get started. In a pan I have taken all the oil and I have put onions in it till they turn brown. Once they are brown, add chicken, mix it nicely. This I am doing, I have kept flame between medium to high. Fry it a bit, then add green chilies, ginger garlic paste, give it a mix, wait for a bit, then add salt, 3 teaspoons salt, now we will add tomatoes, let it cook for few minutes. Then add bay leaves, black cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, aniseed and green cardamoms. Mix it well and let it cook. We are adding everything step by step so that all the flavors are enhanced nicely and everything gets cooked. So whenever we are adding something, we have to let it cook for minimum 3 minutes on low to medium heat. So now we will be adding garam masala and red chili powder. Mix it and let it cook again for 3 minutes. Then add curd. Mix it and let it cook. Now we will add lemon juice. And we will also add finely chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Now let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Till then let's go back to our rice. So we will dye our rice. You can add food color later also while adding chicken to the rice, but I like to do it this way. In a portion of rice add colors, and then here our chicken is ready. So let's move to the final stage of biryani, layering it. So in a pot I have taken a layer of rice, then chicken. Remember to keep chicken on the side so that when you serve you can take a full piece. Add some caramelized onions, then a portion of dyed rice, whatever dye you have chosen, then again plain rice, again layer of dyed rice, then again chicken, again rice, and spread some caramelized onions again, and add some cashews. Cashews are totally optional, you can skip them. Then add the remaining rice, whether it's color rice or plain, whatever you are left with. Spread it and then add mint leaves and cover it and let it cook for minimum 20 minutes on low flame. Till then I am making raita. I have taken chopped onion, cucumber, tomato and green chilies. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, sprinkle some salt and dried mint, mix it nicely and our raita is ready. Biryani always tastes good with raita. Meanwhile our biryani was also ready. I have dished it out. Always remember, whenever you turn off the flame of biryani, then keep it on stove only, so that that helps it to cook nicely. So our mouth-watering biryani is ready, and then biryani when eaten is essentially overeaten. Always pair it with raita. It tastes really good with raita. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the bell icon for notifications. See you soon in another video with some nice recipe. Thank you.